So this is a NP420. Same goes for the NP435 and I believe the NP445. New process used the same design with a lot of transmissions in the 60s and 70s, and I believe into the early 80s. If you look there, you can see just how long that shifter arm is. Transmission is sitting on the floor, and it's well up into the cab height of the truck. So getting it out with that shifter arm is nearly impossible. Not impossible, but very, very difficult. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get that shifter arm off of there as easily as possible. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take a pick and you clean out this ridge all around this sheet metal retainer. So you see there's a little ball in here, and then there's a retainer outside of it. If you look, you see there's a pin on this side, and it looks like it comes all the way through, but these are actually two separate pins, and they pin this retainer in from the outside. So make sure you got her in neutral. So you got a little play in the shifter, and then what we're going to do is we're going to press this whole unit, the retainer and the ball, down into the body of the transmission. Give it about a 1/8 turn counterclockwise, and then we're going to pull it out. All right, now the tool you're going to need here is a pair of vice grips, and you're going to adjust them just so that when you press down on the ball, you can catch the edge of the cup. And I'm going to set a camera up here where you can see how that works. All right, so I've got the pliers down in. I'm just going to press and twist and pops right up and out. And you can see here, see the ball that locks in, and then here's the retainer. And that retainer catches on these two pins that are on either side of the transmission housing.